Life is a lot like chess. Every move you make today shapes your future tomorrow. The richest people are not always those with money.
Viewers, today I'm bringing you another niche, and this one is a finance niche. The best part? It is 100% free, and it is a completely new niche. First of all, take a look at all of these videos. Every single finance video you see here was generated using 100% free AI tools. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, search for the channel called Retired Frank. As you can see, this channel has around 30.4K subscribers and has uploaded 75 videos. Now the main question is this channel monetized? Yes, viewers. This channel is fully monetized, and according to available estimates, it is generating around 3.8K per month, which is a huge amount. If we take a look at the channel's most popular videos, you can see that many of them have gone viral. Some videos have received 405K views, 344K views, 187K views, and many others have reached hundreds of thousands of views. Every video on this channel is highly engaging and powerful. Each one teaches a valuable life lesson. Topics include things like how life was in different decades, how people live differently, what a drama-free life looks like, Generation X lifestyles, and many other fascinating subjects. Most importantly, every video is a long-form video covering unique topics. These types of videos are performing extremely well these days. The videos are created in a 2D animation style, which makes them even more engaging. First, I want to show you my master prompt. I already have a master prompt prepared, and you can find it in the description of my YouTube video. This master prompt includes a complete character prompt, scene-by-scene instructions, style guidelines, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and everything else you need. All you have to do is copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then click on the Generate button. And just boom. Oh my god, viewers. As you can see, all of the scenes are ready. Scene 1 includes the image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Scene 2 includes the image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Scene 3 includes the image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. And so on. All the way up to Scene 10. Everything is generated automatically and organized perfectly. Simply copy all of these prompts and save them inside a document file for later use. Now let's move on to the image generation part. Open Flora AI, which is a completely free AI tool. After opening it, click on New Project and select Nano Banana 2. Now I'll paste the first image prompt here and click on the Generate button. You just need to wait for a few moments while the image is being created. And boom. Our first image is ready. Just look at this result. It looks absolutely amazing. The image quality is extremely high definition, and the 2D animation style looks fantastic. Next, I'll paste the second image prompt and click Generate again. After waiting for a few moments, boom. Now the first two images are ready. You can see that both images perfectly follow the same 2D character style. Next, I'll continue pasting all the remaining prompts one by one for scenes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They will continue generating automatically in the background. Instead of showing you every single step, let me show you the final result. After waiting a little while, boom. All of the images are now ready. Take a look at these results. They are highly engaging, powerful, and visually appealing. And the best part is that the character remains exactly the same in every single image. The character never changes from one scene to another, which is a huge advantage. Now go through all the scenes one by one and see how engaging and professional they look. Once everything is ready, simply download all the images in 2K quality so we can move on to the video generation stage. After downloading the images, we can now move over to our next website called Digen AI, where we'll generate the videos from these images. Okay, viewers. After opening Digen AI, let me tell you something interesting. This tool is 100% free. And the best part is that you do not even need to use your personal email address. It also works perfectly with temporary email services, which makes it completely free to use. What you need to do is click on the login option and then select Sign Up. At the same time, open any temporary email service. Personally, I use Temp Mail, so you can use that as well. Now, Simply enter your temporary email address in the sign-up form and click on Send Code. As you can see, the verification code has been sent successfully. Next, go back to your temp mail inbox and wait for a few moments. After a short wait, boom! The verification code has arrived. Simply copy the verification code, paste it into the verification field, create a password, and click Done. Okay, viewers, as you can see, we have successfully logged in. After signing up, the platform provided me with around 150 to 300 credits, which is absolutely amazing and more than enough to create multiple videos. You can see a different credit balance on your account, but either way, it is still a huge amount of free credits. This means you can create a large number of videos without spending any money. Okay, viewers, now what you need to do is go to the video section. From here, select Real RM 3.1 Turbo, which is a completely free option. After selecting it, click on the Upload option and upload your first image. Next, enter your video prompt and click on Generate. As you can see, my first image to video generation has started. Now you simply need to wait and be patient. After a short while, boom! My first video is now ready. However, there is one small issue. The Digen AI logo appears quite large on the video. But don't worry. Stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you exactly how to remove that logo completely. So there is no need to worry about it. Now I'll upload my second image in the same way. I'll enter the prompt, click on Generate, and as you can see, the second video generation has started. Again, wait patiently for a few moments. And boom! My second video is now ready. The result looks absolutely fantastic. Now what you need to do is continue repeating the same process. Upload your images one by one, add the prompts, and keep generating your videos until all scenes are completed. Now let's move on to another amazing tool called Flow AI. I'll simply open Flow AI, select the image to video section, and choose VO 3.1 Lite. Then I'll select 3 to 4 images at a time, add the prompts, and click on Generate. Without wasting any time, let me show you the final results. As you can see, all of my videos are already ready. I have previously created many tutorials on how to make videos using Flow AI, so the process should already be familiar to many of you. And trust me, whenever it comes to image generation or video generation, I always recommend using Flow AI. It is completely free and gives you 50 credits every day, which means you can easily create multiple videos daily. And yes, viewers, if you keep using different email accounts, you can continue creating even more videos. Now let's remove the logos from our videos. I'll simply open CapCut and import all the generated videos. After importing them, I'll select each clip and use the scale option to zoom in slightly and crop out the logos. And just like that, our final videos are now completely clean and ready to use. Take a look at these results. The videos look professional, engaging, and visually impressive. Now the final step is very simple. Just click on the export button. And there you go, viewers. Our final videos are now completely ready. I hope you enjoyed today's niche idea and the free AI tools that I shared with you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can continue bringing more powerful AI tools, new niches, and amazing opportunities for you. Thank you so much for watching.